Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. I'll tell you today how to install CARROM POOL in your phone. First, go to Play Store, then search CARROM POOL, CARROM, CARROM POOL. Here you go, the first one. Then click on it, then click install. So guys, it is being installed. It will take some seconds. 46%, 57%, 69, 74, 89, and here you go. It's installing right now. So guys, it's installing. Yes, it's installed. So guys, let me open it now. Here you go. This is the first page of CARROM Pool, and there you can log in with your Facebook ID or play as a guest. For now, I prefer play as a guest. Yes guys, connecting. It's connecting guys. uh Taking some time. Yeah, we are on the first page of CARROM. So that's all for today guys. We'll meet in our next video. By that time, hope you all stay happy and stay cool.